morning class 4. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to begin with our new topic. Actually, it's not a new topic. We have already done exercises on comprehension passage. So we are going to practice with one more comprehension passage for today. But before we start our comprehension passage, before we start discussing our comprehension passage, we must understand what are these passages and how we should attempt to solve these comprehension passages. So before you start solving your questions, you would be given a passage, and on the basis of this passage you would be given some questions, okay, and the answers to this question would be hidden in this passage. So to find out the answers to this question, you will have to read the passage first carefully. You have to understand the passage carefully, because the word comprehension, it means to understand, okay. So you have to understand, you have to read line by line your passage, and you have to look for the important points, and it would be great if you could underline whatever important information you find in the passage while going through it, so that you would not be required to read your passage again and again, and it would be easier, lot more easier for you to find out the answers for your questions, okay. So this is how we can solve, how we can attempt our comprehension passage. You have to read the passage carefully, you have to understand it completely, and then you come to solve your questions which are given to you on the basis of this passage. So we're going to practice one passage given to us in our assignment folder. To understand the passage and the questions, please watch my explanatory video. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Children, I hope you all are doing good. Now today, like I said, we are going to attempt one comprehension passage which is given to us in our assignment folder on page number 66 and 67, okay. And like I said, we are supposed to read our comprehension passage first. We have to understand it completely, then we are supposed to attempt our questions which are given to us based on this comprehension. All right, so there is a story which has the title The Hidden Treasure, okay. The hidden treasure, the treasure word. What is the meaning of this word treasure? Treasure means something which is very, very precious, something which is very valuable. For example, gold, diamonds, silver. You know that these things are quite valuable, right? They are very important. So that's what we understand by treasure. Now in this story, what do we see? That there is a man, old man, and he has 3 sons, okay. And but he was not happy with all 3 of them. Why? Because all 3 of them were very, very lazy. They did not do any work, and that upsetted old man. So what did this old man do? One day he visited an astrologer, and then he expresses his concern about his sons to the astrologer, and he asked for his help. So in return, the astrologer suggests him a plan, okay. And in the plan, what did he do? The astrologer met these 3 sons, and while he was talking to them, he shared one thing. He told them that, you know what, there is a treasure hidden in your courtyard, in your field, okay. But to find where is that treasure hidden in this whole lot field, what you will have to do? I will give you some magical seeds, okay. You have to sow these seeds, you have to take care of them, you have to water them, and then you will see that crops would grow out of these seeds, okay. And that will tell you your hidden treasure. So immediately all 3 of them started working on this. They sowed the seed, and then they took care of it, and after a while we see that seeds grew into bountiful crops, okay. There were lots of crops, lots of plants on the field. and then the three of them cut down these crops, and when they sold these crops in the market, they earned lots of money, okay, and they got really happy, and they shared this news proudly with their father. And finally their father was also quite happy with his son's achievement, okay. So what do you think, the seeds were really magical, or was it because of son's hard work? Was it because of son's effort they were able to achieve this money, they were able to earn this much of money? So it was totally because of son's hard work. That's how they were able to earn this much money. Now this is what we learn from this passage, from this story, that um, we should always work hard, we should never be extremely lazy in our life. Now we are going to discuss some question and answers which are given to us based on this comprehension. Now we have understood this comprehension very well, we have read this line by line. Now we are going to attempt the questions one by one. Question number 1 says, why was the old man unhappy? So he was unhappy because all three of his sons were extremely lazy, okay, that's why he was quite unhappy. Extremely means very, okay, very lazy, they were very lazy. Question number B, what did the astrologer tell the sons about their field? So when the astrologer met his sons and they were talking to each other, the astrologer told them that, you know what, there was a hidden treasure in your field, okay. So astrologer told three of them that there is a hidden treasure hidden in your field. Question number C, what happened when the seeds had been sown in the field? When three of the sons sowed, when they saw the seeds into the field, what happened? Those seeds grew into crops and told the boys about the location of the treasure, okay. Now, do you think the seeds were really magical? No, but it was because of the son's hard work that led to the achievement, okay. Because of their hard work they were able to achieve that much money. Now we have been given some words and we have to write down the opposite forms of these words. First one is active. So opposite of active is lazy, opposite of young is old, opposite of slow is fast, and opposite of loss is profit, okay. Now another question is given to us in which we have been given some words and we have to write down the meanings of these words. The first word is immediately. Immediately means quickly. And second word is rituals. Rituals are some acts which are performed on a particular ceremony, on a particular occasion. It can be a religious occasion or a festival or any kind of occasion, okay. So these are ceremonial acts. Now this was your comprehension passage for today. You all have to you all have to solve this comprehension by reading the passage first carefully and then attempting the questions. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.